Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming access. Log into Instagram and the Gmail address currently linked. Once done, make sure to back up essential data like direct messages, contacts, and photos because removing an email can affect recovery options. You should also check two-factor authentication settings. Note whether 2FA uses Gmail or a phone app. If Gmail is the recovery or login method, prepare an alternate email or phone number now so you won't lose account access when you remove Gmail. You proceed to edit profile and update the email address field to an alternate address you control. After entering the new email, Instagram will send a verification link. Click it to confirm ownership because unverified changes won't remove the Gmail. If the on-device change is blocked, open Instagram. Com in a browser or use the mobile web view. Sometimes the web flow allows email edits. If you can't access settings, request a security code via SMS or the authentication app, then retry changing the email. You finish by confirming the new email from the verification message. Once verified, Instagram treats it as the primary contact and Gmail is effectively removed. Next, check connected apps and account recovery settings to remove Gmail where listed and update 2FA to your preferred method. If you encounter errors, such as verification not arriving or account locked, try resending the code, check spam, and wait a few minutes. If that fails, use Instagram's account recovery flow or contact support for manual.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.